I'm Judy Shaw for What's the Fund? Joining me today is Sykes. He is Portfolio Manager at Gabelli Funds. McCrae, wonderful to have you on the show. Thanks for joining me on What's the Fund?
Thank you for having me.
Now, before we get started, quick note to viewers, this interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, so what's the fund you're talking about?
So I'm very excited to talk about the Gabelli Financial Services Opportunities ETF, symbol GABF. This is a fund we launched in May. It is the first and only actively managed, semi-transparent sector fund. So it also comes with a unique loyalty program where we're going to be waiving the fees for the first year of the operation.
All right, so tell me about this fund. Tell me about the strategy.
Well, we're very excited about the strategy. It seeks to harness the economic trends from something Warren Buffett calls the American tailwind. And essentially, this is the growth of American household wealth. And if you look back in 1971, that total was about 5 trillion. Today, it's over 150 trillion. So it's a rise of almost 30 times. So financial services firms are uniquely instrumental in helping that growth, as well as being beneficiaries. So we see a number of things today which get us excited about the launch and the timing of the fund as well. So first, you have a reset in valuations. So you have stocks that are down 30 and 40%. You also have an increase in rates that are coming, so a normalization will help bank stocks. And then we continue to like wealth management trends as well. So just thinking about some of those trends that I mentioned, net interest margin, so in 2018 for the banks, was approximately 3.5%. Today is about 2.5%. And when you think about the bank assets at that time, it was about 18 trillion, it's now 23 trillion. So what's going to happen in the next couple of quarters is an accelerated rise in net interest income based on the base and that rate change. And you're going to see acceleration and growth there. So we're very excited about that near-term opportunity. Wealth management, we see firms levered to this tremendous growth and also transition of baby boomer wealth. And so we expect rates of growth to go to 5 to 7% or almost double GDP. So we see lots of opportunity and in the interim as well as the long term as well. So we're very excited.
Okay, all right, so where can viewers go to learn about GABF?
So great. GABF, you can learn more about this fund at www.gabelli.com under the ETF section.
All right.
And you can also visit me on LinkedIn as well and send me messages. Happy to respond.
All right.
Thank you.
Well, wonderful to have you on What's the Fund. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you.
Investors should carefully consider the investment objectives, risk, charges, and expenses of the fund before investing. The prospectus, which contains more complete information about this and other matters, should be read carefully before investing. To obtain a prospectus, please call 1-800-GABELLI or visit www.gabelli.com.